I'm bringing you a WTI, and nothing gets dirtier than your floors. And that is why I have always loved the Swiffer. I really like using this Swiffer because if I do have to clean my floors, but I don't have a lot of time, I don't have to worry about getting a bucket out or having to wring anything out or having to let it sit and dry. I'm able to just grab it, put the dry cloth on, which is so well designed to pick up dust bunnies and dirt on the ground, and then take it off, throw it away, put the wet cloth on. It does such a nice job. It doesn't leave any residue or streaks. And then you can take that off, throw that away, and you're good to go. It has a nice little eyelet at the end of the pole so that you can hang it on a hook. You can stick it in a wall mount. It takes up so little space. Even if you do maybe want to put it in a bag or a drawer, it can disassemble into a smaller piece. This is a great time saver. It's a great space saver. It's an overall great item to have with your cleaning supplies. And that's my point of view.